guys, it's British back again with another episode of CarX Drift Racing. This is the second time we've seen it on the channel, actually. I don't even know, because there was a stunts video with it, Pro Drives #1, and now here we are again. Don't worry, the Forza Horizon 4 new car is on its way, but the last video was the new car, so I'm gonna hold off on that a little, just to add a little more diversity. So here we are, and we have a Mark V Supra here, and well, I miss CarX Drift Racing, so let's get drifting. And I want to see how big of a tandem can we get. Also, I have a Gatorade. I got this at school. For my school has a snack bar. And I love it. There we go. All right, we are in. God, why is it lagging? Oh, oh my God, yeah. I love CarX Drift Racing because you can do some hilarious stuff. I have an NA Miata monster truck. And apparently there's a car meet at the donut shop. Heck yeah. Oh, I am so sorry. I'm gonna wait for her. Joining. Oh my God, we just doing tandems. We're doing donuts around a donut shop. I'm gonna take some wider. Ow! I forgot this is like Horizon 4. Poles aren't destructible. Ow. Yeah, I'm not a very good drifter, I'll admit. Well, at least in this game. I can get some okay drifts, but some not really the best. To be honest, I do kinda suck. I mean, I don't really suck, but I could definitely be a lot better. Yeah, as you can tell. And I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. I don't know, I'm just notorious for getting any cars stuck for some reason. And I'm not exactly sure why. Yeah, I'm bad. I mean, I'm okay, but I'm bad at the same time. There's a Mustang. Ooh, we getting close to the wall. Yes. Yes, bro. Kiss the wall. Hey, kiss the wall. I missed. Long can brake slide. Whee! Ah, okay, I found a train yard. Okay. Do you know that one trick where like supercars and stuff, they like go under those weird barrier things? Like at parking garages? Dude, that's kind of what this thing can do. I tried it in Need for Speed Heat, but it automatically breaks the pole for some reason. So I'm not even gonna question it. Ow. I should have gotten into reverse. I keep forgetting you have to shift from neutral. It's not like Horizon 4 where you just go reverse first. There's actual neutral as well. Ow. I'm just gonna park next to this. S15 or 14? 15. Whoop. I'm gonna ask this guy if he's gonna tandem. Apparently he's in an event. No, I'm not gonna ask. There we go, we're just doing donuts around the donut shop. Bop. That was beautiful. Oh, we got a tandemer! We got tandem. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, we have a third tandem! I'm trying to catch this guy and keep tandeming. Oh my god, I got an R35 with us. No way. I have an R35. Coming in hot. Oh, collision! Oh, double collision! I just see how big of a tandem can we get? Big. Viper. Red. Hello. Is he waiting for him? I think he's AFK. Tree! Tree! But this guy's in the ground. This guy is in the ground. He's not in the ground. He's just over there. Whoops. Ow. Okay. How do we get down there? Well, I'm not sure we're supposed to be in here. What? Can I teleport? What just happened? Why am I all the way over here now? Oh, I see. I'm just gonna hold a drift for as long as possible. Okay, I want to give you guys an interesting video. Let's head to an actual track. Yeah, let's just head to like an actual track. I wouldn't leave you guys hanging or anything. Alright, I think that we have a track. This might be the one with the Abishu jump. I think it is. Oh my god, this is the one with the Abishu jump. Yes! Yes, finally! This is actually the map where the Pro Drives took on. Pro Drives 1. This is where Pro Drives 1 was, in the R35. No way. We're coming up on the Ibishi jump. Woo! Ah! I cannot Ibishi jump. That was so bad. I was trying to go for a reverse entry, but... There's also some really other funny jumps as well. Like right there, that's a funny jump. Okay, I guess we're taking it wide here. Wow. Lord Gourds. Okay, sure. It's in an LFA. I have one of those. Okay, now here we go. Now we got some mountain roads. I'm trying to Ibishi jump again, but I think I took a wrong turn, so I might as well drift through here. Maybe practice some one-lane drifting. Oh, never mind. I'm in the other lane now. Oh, this guy doesn't know how to drift. I can easily tell that guy doesn't know how to drift. Oh, here we go. I missed it. Oh, hey, another Supra. Another Mark IV. Oh my god, you see the Miata? There's actually an Irazoka jump right there as well, if you really wanted to take it. Ibishi jump! 360 wall tap! No way! And then just AFK R35. Oh, look out. I think that's Mount Fuji in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna take all the jumps this time. I'm gonna take this jump right here. Little jump, like an uphill Ibishi jump. Gonna take this. Ow. That was like a little Irazoka jump. I don't actually know how you pronounce it. Oh my god, the Miata! Yay! Ah! Ah! I just want to slide into that jump. I just want to slide in it next week with that jump. Not the Ibishi jump, the big boy. This one. You saw how much air that Miata get. And the next week! I almost made it out of the map! Ah! Wee! Oh, I landed on! Ah! Miata! Miata! No! No, come here, Miata. Oh. Just casually roll up to the skyline, just be like, hello. And now let's try to take a good Irazoka jump. Like, there. Oh, that's an okay Irazoka jump. Oh! I can never hit it. Let's try to... I can't drift tap the GTR. He took it way too shallow. Oh, that was a close call. Take it in here. What are you doing? Oh, that was a clean transition. Could have done a lot cleaner. Woo! I think I'm getting better. A lot better. So that's the R34. I have an R34, but I mean I made it into a drift buggy. Oh! Yeah, that guy doesn't know how to drift. Woo! Nailed it! So guys, in the comments down below, tell me what you would like to see next. Don't worry, that new Call on Horizon 4, that's coming. Don't worry. Okay, we're getting mad angle here. Yeah, I think that, I don't know. I don't really know what makes me better at drifting. Maybe it's just time. I mean, I barely dipped my wheel there. I'll see if there's a spot where I could do some gutter drifting. Oh, there we go. Reverse entry at grind the wall. Don't care. 360. I don't care. Boop. Little aggressive, but I mean, I don't care. Oh, here we go. Oh, but should jump? Yay! Oh, that was perfect! Ah! Hello, R35. Oh my god, that R35 was there! What is this guy doing? Tandem? I'm sure we could tandem, I guess. Oh, you don't know how to drift, never mind. Dude! What is he? I'm dipping this guy. Bye! Now that is how you Abishu jump. When someone's chasing me like that, whether it's in GTA and I'm running from an oppressor or a night shark, or even here when that guy's like trying to spin me, I like to use corners to like hide. Like I go around the corner so they can't get me. So if they try to slam me from like just straight down the road, then they can't because I'm already behind the corner. Feel? Yeah, that Jimmy Jr. guy, he's gotta go. You know, I'm just gonna leave it here. I gotta make a couple other videos as well that I wanna make. So, catch you in the next one, and I will see you later.